I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the opening market minute for Monday, July 14th. Soybeans and corn are both modestly higher, seeing some short covering support, continuing to digest Friday's USDA supply, demand, and production numbers, but primarily continuing to keep an eye on the weather. Near-term forecasts do look generally favorable in much of the Midwest and Plains for U.S. corn and soybean development this year. And even if the USDA did trim their production projections a little bit on Friday, that's still getting into some of the key development phases for both of those crops, and we could see those numbers actually grow a little bit maybe when we get closer to actual harvest. Wheat is modestly higher, also finding some short covering support while watching the U.S. winter wheat harvest and spring wheat development conditions, with rain in the near-term forecast for some dry parts of the northwestern U.S. plains. That should help out the spring wheat crop in that area. Live and feeder cattle are lower. The box beef cutout values were sharply lower on Friday afternoon. A lot of questions about sustained demand around these price levels. There are also some supply questions, though, with the southern U.S. border still closed to live cattle imports from Mexico and a potential tariff on beef imports from Brazil. And hogs are down. Pork was lower Friday, and there are a lot of demand uncertainties on that side of things. With the opening market minute for Monday, July 14th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.